I can. Are we going? I think it's on.
It's loading.
It's doing like a circle thing.
What does that mean?
It says starting with ... Oh, it's live now.
Hi.
Hi everybody. I don't know if there's anybody here yet. I think we can see
That's a
when
good
people
beginning,
comment and
though, to
everything.
say hi.
Yeah.
That's what I was doing. I was starting it off well.
Oh, okay. Hi everybody. We're making manatee crafts today with you all. We haven't done this yet, so it's going to be an experience.
We're gonna do our best.
On our original post for this morning, you can see the link to the website where you can get this printable of a manatee, and we're just gonna cut it out and put it all together with some tape and or glue.
And you can do it whenever. I think it's fairly straightforward.
You can do it with us right now if you go print it off, or you can do it later. But we're gonna do it with you guys. So let's get started.
What do we do first?
Snip, snap.
Don't we color first?
We can color it when it's all put together, or you can color it after. It doesn't matter.
We should color. I want
to
to
color it now. Okay, we're gonna color it now.
I'm making a blue manatee.
I think I want my manatee to have little stars on it.
That's beautiful.
So
I'm doing like a little outline kind of deal, and I want to put some purple.
I'm gonna draw a star.
Barbara Manatee.
So there's a song about manatees on VeggieTales.
Should we share that? Should we?
We'll share it later. But it's Monica's favorite song, and she's been singing it all morning long.
Because we talked about manatees.
So there's my stars. Do you guys think I should do more colors? Hi, Carrie. Good morning. Good morning, girls.
Hi. Hey, it's Aunt Jen. Hi, Aunt Jen.
Hi, Aunt Jen. I don't know you, but she's pretty great.
This is Amber. She's also pretty great.
Should I do more colors? I think I'm gonna do more colors.
I'm doing blue and then I'm doing purple.
That looks beautiful.
Thank you. Your stars look beautiful.
You know, when I was a kid, I had no idea how to draw stars, and that took me a very long time to learn. But once I did, I started signing my name with a star, because A for Amber, so I'd sign it like a star.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. That was my signature for a very long time, until I learned you cannot put that on a check. Okay, I've got some blue stars. There we go.
We're just going to do some squiggles, I think, because, you know, manatees.
So you guys should be sending us pictures of your manatees after, so we
please,
can see how beautiful they are.
You don't have to do anything, but we would appreciate greatly.
That's awesome. Oh, I've got to. This looks like the American.
Well, my coloring went outside the lines, but that's okay.
I'm gonna do some green. My manatee's like really like got
Look
a lot
at
of design.
him! He's so snazzy. Mine is like, I was going for like a chill kind of like.
There's all the stars.
Feel.
They could look like spots. Like you could be like a speckled manatee with stars. And now we're gonna fill it in with gray because manatees are kind of gray.
Yours is so involved.
And that.
That's how you color a manatee.
That's like ASMR. You can. That's a nice sound.
Okay, now do we cut it out?
Now we cut it. Wait for me, I'm almost done. There we go. Okay. There's my coloring.
Hers is beautiful.
Hold it up closer so I can see it. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna cut them out. I'm not good at cutting stuff out. So.
I'm not either. Ask your parents for help.
Ask your parents for help, kids. Because yeah, it's tricky. The manatee, thank goodness, it's not too hard to cut out.
I kind of like smaller scissors because I feel like I have more control, you know?
Oh. Oh my gosh, I almost cut the eyes.
You know what I don't understand?
I almost cut the eyes in half. What?
Yeah, the eyes, keep the eyes.
The eyes are up here.
Technically, you could just color them on though if you wanted to.
You could color on the eyes.
There are so many options available to you. The world is your playground.
There's other printables online as well.
Also, do you know what I was thinking about when we were talking about control and precision and big and small? You know when they do like sculptures with chainsaws?
That is so cool, yeah.
I've
when
never
they cut
understood like
the wood like that.
How do you have the control when it's so big?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, the
Why
eyes
are you
really
going so
hard.
fast? Maybe this is a drawback to smaller scissors.
Oh my gosh. Okay, he's got a little bit of white left on his eye, but that's okay.
That is okay.
Because I don't.
Well, I mean, eyes are white. So
eyes have white and black and colors.
Maybe not if you're a manatee. I don't know.
I don't know what we should look up more things. So today for your videos, you
Should've
can learn
researched
more
this more.
about manatees. And we're gonna have to go watch those again because we can't
We
remember what
really
manatees
don't know
eyes
much
look like.
about manatees.
But you know what I
This
am
one
ready
is
for
Barbara.
tomorrow? Tomorrow is Turtle Tuesday, and I know lots about turtles.
Amber's very excited about Turtle Tuesday.
So you guys be here for Turtle Tuesday. We've got some fun videos coming out tomorrow, don't we?
We have a fun
And
one coming out today.
Today we have Jonah. We made our very own movie Jonah. Oh, I need to cut
Movie
it.
is a strong word. It's
It's a cinematic masterpiece. And it took a long time to make and edit, and we made all our own props,
we did.
all our own costumes.
We
Well,
did.
like it was fabric already made, but we put it together.
We did.
And you wrote the
Man, you're
script.
going so fast. I did write the script, but then we didn't end up using most of the script.
I think it was great.
kind of off the
And
cuff.
all our own effects, and yeah, we're just very excited for you guys to see it. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it gives you a good laugh, because it certainly gave us a good laugh, but it also taught us some important lessons. It did. And if you guys like Jonah later, you can tell us what you like about it, and tell us more Bible stories to do.
Yes, because
want
we
to
are
know.
we are wanting to do more Bible stories, but we don't know which ones.
We
to
have the
do.
costumes now.
So if you have Bible stories that you want to see us make videos of, let us know, and we
Yeah.
will probably make them.
And if you guys want us to do more lives, we can totally do those. If you guys like this one.
We're
Oh,
doing great.
Okay, I cut a piece of his arm off. It's fine. Make sure to clean up.
You're going so
your
fast.
traps. I've got big scissors.
Go at your own pace. Feel comfortable. with
Where
where
are
you
you
are.
at?
I haven't done the eyes or the fins.
Here, if you rip this
You
piece
can
off,
start.
it will help you.
Oh, that feels so violent. You do it for me. Thank you.
It was not that violent. Okay,
It felt violent.
I've got his head. A little manatee head.
I'm taking the big.
They have whiskers on here, and I think I'm just gonna draw whiskers on while I'm sitting here waiting for Monica. I'm just gonna.
Oh, flying through.
This pencil needs to be sharpened again.
Fun fact about me: I'm not great at crafts. Amber is a crafty
Well, that's what
crafty type. I'm not so much, but I'm here mostly for moral support.
I just didn't think for a second, and I drew eyes on him.
Amber.
I can, you know what? They could be eyebrows because they're just little eyes, like that eye. So I can still put them in, and he can just have eyebrows. Oh, he has eyebrows now. I love it.
I can't see because I'm. Oh, that's beautiful.
I can't wait. You guys are gonna see it in a second.
Help! We have 2 people watching us.
I
That's
know.
amazing.
I know. Well, I wonder.
I've never
I
done one of
wonder
these
what the
before.
kids are
This
gonna
is a
do for
great
designs.
first
I wonder what you
experience.
guys are gonna do for designs because I bet they're gonna be awesome.
They are. Please
I am
send us
excited.
pictures because we want to see.
You can do
But also, you don't have to. if
whatever you
don't
want, as you see. Yeah, you don't have to color it. It could just be plain. That's okay. Plain Jane.
The world is your playground. I've said it before. I'll probably say it again.
I just like stars, so I put stars on everything, including my manatee.
I like.
Are you still cutting up your eyes?
Yes.
That would be a job I'd use the smaller scissors.
You know in Big Hero 6 when Baymax is like, I am not fast. That is me.
Oh, I love Big Hero 6.
I also love Big Hero 6.
Also, we didn't mention the movies. I gotta put that post out too.
Well, we don't have to do it right away. We have all week.
But they have all week to watch them. Okay, so important announcement being made on a live stream. We're going to have a movie list for everybody
Yes.
going out, and then
We
if
also-
you're bored at home, you can watch these movies that we recommend for ocean and water stuff, and we'll have it for like each week.
Yes.
All movies that we've seen and we've approved that are good, and yeah.
We think, but if
we think they're
parents
pretty
want,
good, but it's parents' decision.
Yeah.
obviously. But yeah.
parents are in charge of that.
Okay.
Okay, Amber, what
Do
do we
you
do now?
want to glue or tape?
Which way is up?
This
How
is
do
his tail. Yeah, look at the picture. I think this way.
Aw.
What?
No, I just was. He's cute. I like him.
Okay,
I'm gonna
going-
tape because tape
I'm gonna
is
glue. We're gonna
more
see
straightforward.
which one works. They both probably work. This is purple glue. Oh my gosh. This is very sticky.
You know what else is very sticky?
What?
A stick.
Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna pursue a career in
If this was a
comedy, I
video
think.
that I edited, I would have put the thing in it. Okay, there's a leg.
Oh, see how fast that was?
There's another leg. Oh, wow.
That was like zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, quick.
Oh, no, I put the glue on the wrong side.
Amber. No.
He can have one leg that's colored.
Where does
one
his
leg
head
that's
go?
not.
I think right there.
Now I've got glue on both sides, so we're just gonna.
Do we do his eyes before we put his head on? I kind of want
You
glue
can.
for this part. This part is. Did we put?
I'm gonna wipe my glue off because I put the glue on the wrong spot. I can stick it to the wall. Okay, we're just gonna do it like that. Okay, there's his arms. Looking pretty good. Now I'm going to put his eyes on.
Look at his little face.
Did you glue
He
your
doesn't
eyes?
have one yet. I haven't put the eyes on. Can I have the glue back in a minute?
Precision. Oh
This
my
is
gosh, it's stuck to my
probably
finger.
not recommended. Maybe don't do your eyes this way, but it's too late for me. I've committed to.
Also, we're gonna do our songs.
Ah, look at him.
Well, no, we did our songs this morning, but
We
if
put
you
them out,
guys,
didn't
we put them up, and we're gonna sing them later ourselves, probably at lunchtime. And if you
Lunchtime is a
guys
good time to sing songs.
do some, if you guys dance to the songs and have fun, you can always take a video of yourselves dancing and show us your dance moves. We would love to see it because we miss you all.
It's so true.
There's his eyes. Did you already?
I made him.
See?
Look at him. He's beautiful.
And you said
I
I
love
was
him.
in the
I'm
lead.
calling him Fred.
Fred.
Fred the manatee.
Why didn't want Barbara?
Oh no. I made a horrible mistake.
Fred.
Well, he's Barbara's friend. Fred.
This can be Barbara. They can be friends.
Barbara manatee.
Manatee, you're the one
for me. One for me. One for me. Bet you didn't know you were getting musical
Go look that up with your parents, kids.
bands.
Veggie Tales.
Well, we'll put
Barbara
the link
Manatee.
in.
We can put the link in too.
We'll send the
But
link.
either way, make sure you watch it.
It's amazing.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for being here.
Barbara is glad to meet you all,
So is Fred.
and we were very happy to have a little bit of interaction with you all.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah,
Practice.
get ready for Jonah to come out at noon. So yeah, be prepared for a funny time.
It's really something.
It is pretty good.
I will say that.
Yeah.
Thank you for being here.
I don't know how to turn it off. I don't know how to turn it off, but bye.
Bye.